Hey there, welcome to my review of GoProCloud. My name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and GoProCloud is a product that was released on October 21st of 2021, and we're going to talk about it today. Now, I'm here on my bonus page, and to get to this from YouTube, beneath this video, there is a link that says click here for my exclusive bonuses and GoPro Cloud, and it'll take you to the page that we're on right here. All right, and so also from YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the thumbs up and click the bell. Thank you very much. So This should be fairly short because GoProCloud, as stated here, next generation cloud storage. It allows you to store, backup, share, and host unlimited files, images, and videos in the cloud for life with just a low one-time price. So basically this replaces the Dropbox, it replaces the iCloud even, because there's no monthly or annual fee. It's a one-time fee, and it's ridiculously affordable. And so let's go through it real quickly here. All right, and so also let me go ahead and tell you what the bonuses are if you were to get GoProCloud through my page, through my link today. I'm starting off with Lazy Traffic Sniper, a new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. Also Nova, all right, this is a Chrome extension that allows you to follow targeted audiences on TikTok. 3 times done for you offers, hosted for you, and on the front end along with step-by-step training. All right. Bonus number 3 is YT Velocity, unlocked set forget buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. Bonus number 4 is YT Bucks, is an exhaustive training on how to create or improve your affiliate marketing business with YouTube as your starting point. And bonus number 5, wonderful course here called the Super Shakedown, Inside Secrets of the Super Affiliates, with a series of masterclasses, case studies, and additional training that'll help you unlock the code and break through to start earning serious money online. All right, and so let's talk about GoProCloud here. Next generation cloud storage allows you to store, backup, share, and host unlimited files, images, videos in the cloud for life. Unbeatable one-time price without any restrictions, with no monthly fee. So the features of this are you can upload and manage unlimited, I've said that several times, back up all of your files so you never have the fear of losing them again, 100% protection of data, with free end-to-end SSL encryption. That's important. Enable embedded code, form code, and links. Get started with your storage journey. Doubles up as a cloud drive. Auto storage expansion as per usage. One-click third-party sharing enabled. Back up all of your information, including images, videos, documents. Keep your website graphics, videos, and data secure, and also direct deliver content from the cloud, on the website. 24/7 premium support. Okay, and so what does this cost? $17. Now, if you catch it at the right time, there's a $3 coupon, and you can get that automatically when you get to the sales page. So for $14, even if you don't catch the $14 coupon, for $17, unlimited storage and everything. You are fantastic. So the front end includes everything that basically we've already talked about. And then there are a couple of additional offers. One being the GoPro Cloud for $27. Unlimited uploads and downloads. You can download entire folders as zip files. You can enable watermarking on preview files. You can secure your data with ironclad protection and advanced security, full site statistics, private and public folder option, set passwords on your files and folders, upload multiple files simultaneously, enable link expirations, unlock unlimited everything for pro marketers, commercial license, priority customer support. All right, and OTO number 2 for $67, done for you setup basically. OTO number 3 is GoProCloud agency, so you can create 100 to 250 accounts for users from your own dashboard. Now you can manage those users, add, delete them as you wish, charge monthly or one-time fees, to people who you want to provide storage for. Easy to use agency dashboard included. And OTO number 4 is the GoProCloud Reseller. For $67, you get exclusive reseller license. You can sell GoProCloud and make 100% profit on it. Guaranteed approval when you get that option, and we'll manage the service and support for your customers, so you don't have to worry about the service and support. All right, and of course this comes back with a satisfaction guarantee, and I believe it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, and so also on my bonus page here is a GoProCloud demo video, and it basically takes you through the dashboard and features and some other things. It's pretty quick and simple. All right, now like I said, at any time you can go ahead and click any of the red banners on my bonus page here, and it'll take you over to your secure checkout. This is being sold on the Warrior Plus platform, so eventually you'll come to your Warrior Plus page where you'll click on the green button to access your GoProCloud, and you'll click on the blue button to access the bonuses that I have given to you today. That pretty much sums it up. Let me remind you once again to go ahead and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up and click the bell. Thank you. And thank you for taking the time out to watch my review of GoProCloud today. And as always, to your success.